everyone, in this video I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations are in the Ford Fiesta. So this is the 2011 model, but it definitely works for some other models too. And the first one is actually in the glove box, so you just open it up and you're going to get stuck here, but then you have to like push this inward on both sides. Then this thing comes out, so you can see there's these like little plugs making it a little hard to come out. But then right like behind this is the fuse box. So in there's tons of different fuses. You can see opening the door gives it like a little bit more space because this was like on the cup holder thing. Also, you are able to like fully take this thing out if it's helpful. So you can see it just like clips on the back here, but you're able to just take that off and then just put it off to the side if you really need a little bit more space for this area. So you go under the steering wheel to go hold this handle to open up the hood. And open it up. And it's on the right side right over here. So you can pull this off pretty easily just by like pulling this little lever and then pulling up. And on the inside of this box, there's this like little guide of what the things are. And you can also see more information in the owner's manual. You can get tons of fuses really cheap just through like Amazon or something. But just know that there are some other sizes and it definitely depends on what you need for the car. And it does really help if you have any kind of like fuse puller, but honestly, pliers would do the trick too. All right, that's it from me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a like and please subscribe to our channel to see more great guides just like this. I love helping people out and it'd be great if you help me out by giving me a sub. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.